I'm walking around in the circle of life.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rajdan Academy. In this video we are going to see some quiz questions. So let's get started. The first question is, when is World Brain Tumor Day observed? And your option is 7 June, 9 June, 8 June and 10 June. And the right answer is C, 8 June. Let's move to another question. Which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Kisan Mitra Energy Yojana? And your option is Bihar, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh or Uttar Pradesh. So let's get the answer. Answer is B, Rajasthan. Let's go to the another question. In which country the 47th G7 Summit 2021 has been organized? And the option for this question is Russia, New Zealand, UK and Indonesia. And the right answer for this question is UK. Let's move to the other question. Mahesh Kumar Jain has been reappointed as a Deputy Governor of RBI for how many years? Your option is 1 year, 2 year, 3 year or 4 years. And the right answer for this question is 2 years. Let's move towards next question. Who has been re-elected as the Secretary General of the United Nations Organization? And your option is Antonio Guterres, Amitabh Chaudhary, Brett Clothier, Jean LeCun. And the right answer for this question is option A, Antonio Guterres. Let's move towards next question. Today is 13th of June and this day is observed at and today on second Saturday we celebrate International Young Eagles Day. Next, move toward the next question. The Chief Minister of Kerala recently launched the State Regulatory Authority KRERA. The authority is related to which field? Your option is research, revenue, real estate and railway. And the right answer for this question is real estate. Let's move towards other question. The freedom of speech and freedom of carry on a business through internet is covered under which article of Indian Constitution? And the option for this question is Article 17, Article 19, Article 20 and Article 18. And the right option is option B, Article 19. Let's move to our next question. Which consumer electronic company has partnered with Indian startup incubator T-Hub to support a startup ecosystem in India? And the option is Realme, Oppo, Xiaomi or Huawei. And the right option for this question is option B, Oppo. Let's move toward the next question. Which Indian state, union territories, is the first to enforce Performance Regulation Act for its power department? Your option is New Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. And right answer for this question is B, Uttar Pradesh. Let's move towards next question. What is the capital of newly formed Union Territories of Dadra and Nagar Haveli from Daman and Diu? And your option is Daman, Nagar Haveli, Dadra, Silvassa. And the right answer for this question is A, Daman. Let's move towards next question. Which state announced that a center called Bharosa Center to monitor the impact on the social media on youth? Your option is Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh or Odisha. And the right option for this question is B. Maharashtra. Let's move towards the next question. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it. If you want such, comment your view and share it. And if you are new to this channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.